A loose or sagging sun visor may seem like a small issue, but it can quickly become an everyday frustration and even a safety concern while driving. When the original plastic base cracks or fails, the visor no longer stays in position, blocking visibility and ruining the comfort of your interior. This direct replacement sun visor bracket is designed to solve that problem properly, bringing your visor back to its original function and secure feel. Engineered to match the exact fit and function of the factory-installed bracket on specified vehicles, this replacement part installs cleanly without modification. It is built to restore the visor's ability to stay firmly in place, whether flipped down for sun protection or rotated toward the side window. Once installed, the visor feels solid again, just as it did when the vehicle was new. Durability is a key advantage of this sun visor bracket. Made from high-quality materials, it is designed to resist cracking and fatigue far better than worn original components. The reinforced construction ensures long service life under daily use, even in vehicles exposed to heat, sunlight, and constant movement. This makes it a reliable solution for brackets that have failed due to age or brittle plastic. This replacement is backed by a trusted team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience, giving you confidence in both fitment and performance. Installation is straightforward, and many users report that the instructions are easy to follow, allowing the repair to be completed quickly with basic tools. Before purchasing, be sure to confirm compatibility by entering your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool to ensure proper fitment. If your sun visor no longer stays where it should, this bracket offers a cost-effective, dependable way to restore comfort and functionality without replacing the entire visor assembly. Click the link in the video description to purchase, and subscribe to the channel to discover more smart automotive repair solutions and interior fixes.